Hello friends, today we would be learning about palindrome string. Okay, what's palindrome? Palindrome means the reverse value is equal to its original value. For example, 1 to 1, reverse is 1 to 1. ANA, ANA, reverse is ANA. Okay, these reverse are equal. That's why it's called palindrome. Palindrome. Okay, that's a definition. The reverse value is equal to its original value. So let's see in the program how it is done. We have to reverse the string. Okay, so there's a string str likes. Okay, so first we would convert the strings into character of array. Okay, so if we would take car of array equal to str dot to car of array. Okay, that's the method. If you don't know, I will put the link in the description. How does that work? String to car of array. We have to take a string, as you have to compare also. So we will take an empty string over here, as you have to initialize it. Okay, to initialize it, we would use a for loop, and here we would put the ch dot length. We would use dot length one as is array. Okay, character of array, and here we would put the programming of re. That's the main logic over here. Ch of I plus rev. This is the main logic actually. That's how we reverse the string. Okay, if you want to see, we can see how does it work. And first we will check that if condition also. If, let's see, if condition, how does that work? If rev dot, so rev dot equals what it equals str. We have to check whether this is the reverse is equal to the str. That's the original one, that is likes. Okay, and what is string? Okay, we will take first the this one Malayalam one, whose reverse is equal to its original values. First we will take this one string as string. Okay, so it is, yeah, I've written over here first just to save the time. Else what it would print, it's not a palindrome. Okay, str is not a palindrome string. Okay, so let's see, let's execute and see it what it prints. Illegal or start of execute else. Okay, over here we will do this. Illegal start of execution. It's okay to get off getting errors at 18th line. Okay, so let's see, let's exit the Zen mode first. Okay, at 18th line we have done this one. Okay, this is all that we have done the wrong thing. So let's run it and see it now. We'll change Zen mode again. Okay, let's run it and see it. Here we have to run it and see it. So run it, let's run it. It's executing. Okay, Malayalam is a palindrome string. So let's choose another string that's not its reverse value is not equal to its original value. So let's see it. So let's run this and see if it works. See, likes is not a palindrome string. Okay, it works. So here this is the main logic. We have to take a string reverse, the empty reverse string, and we are comparing with. So it's better to take this. We can do it another method also, but for palindrome we should use this. Okay, and this is the reverse ch of I. That ch of I would be, as we are converting the string to character of array. So likes, that would be the characters. So L, first character would be L. I of 0 is L. Okay, index start from 0. So L will come L plus empty. So and so rev will be processed at L. So here L. Okay, first L will become. Okay, as I'm commenting. Okay, first L will come, then REV value would be L. So ch of I would be, I would increment by 1. So ch of I will become I. So what, I plus REV? What is REV? REV is L. So I plus L, that would be IL. So that's how it gets getting reverse. Okay, LI. So till it will go and print SEKIL. Okay, so till end SEKIL, that would be its value. Okay, if you want to print, let's see, you can print it. This out, what is REV value. So let's run it and see. We should print over here SEKIL. Okay, that's it for now. We have done the simpler one also. There's a reverse string. I have done both the methods, tried both methods, so you can see that also. I will provide it in the link. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. You can watch my another videos, all videos also from string. That's important from the interview point of view also. Okay, thank you so much.